One of the most important parts of an indoor lounge is an entertainment unit. By blending the right textures and tints, you can really create a lasting impression. And hey, why not make it sturdy, lawn, living, and undeniably beautiful? My name is Mayuri, and I'm coming straight to you from My Tiles Bangalore, their headquarters. And today we're going to be talking to you about entertainment units, or TV units as we all call it, and how do we make them stunning for you, how your selections can be much more easier, better, and we're going to show you a lot of top options that are trending or popular options today. So let's dive into it. Whether you're in the process of renovating a living space or upgrading a boring corner in your home, My Tiles collection of homegrown and imported tiles are a sure shot solution to your problems. Economical, stylish, and incredibly modern, shop from the comfort of your home with My Tiles. TV units are the life of your home, right? TV units and lounging areas, they are really the center or the focal point of the home where all as a family come together. But it's always, a very daunting choice to make when it comes to deciding what really will suit your personality, the personality of your home, right? Which everyone would like. And I think that's where we come in today. We are going to help you decide what really will match your personality, what kind of effect that those particular backgrounds or TV unit setups will give you. So let's look at these amazing options and create that everlasting charm that you're seeking. The retro vintage vibe of brick cladding is to provide your TV units with that sober effect that you're looking for. Of course, they are a big conversation starter when you have bigger parties at home or even some very cute get-togethers, right? Here, what really provides that coziness or this homeliness and the soberness that you're seeking is the combination of these beautiful terracottas and browns and some very nice classy looking whites as well. Classiness comes from those clean lines and very beautiful aesthetic that these brick claddings provide. The pricing of these brick claddings start from 120 rupees per square feet, which makes them easily fit into those small pockets or smaller budgets that you may have, right? And that makes it really, really easy for you to bring these home and install them and create that beauty that your TV units seek. Only con that these have is that you need to hire a skilled labor to install them. They are very, very important in terms of the installation process for these is very, very important. In case you're looking for that and you want to understand more, do look at the description. We have linked the link to that particular video specifically for you. How can we leave this particular section without letting you know what applications do you have, right? And best way to inspire you with wherever these applications are is to look at client images. The real clients of My Tiles have installed these beautiful brick claddings in their home in TV units. So let me quickly share them with you. Let's have a look. Well, now we are looking at these gorgeous marble tiles, marble finish tiles that are highly glossy and allow you to create that upscale effect in your TV units. These can be cut profiled in any which way and usually are used with some beautiful metallic trims. Well, you see this magic wand in my hand? This is not a magic wand, but it does create magic. These beautiful trims, they come in various sizes. This one is of course a little bit thicker than this one that we've used over here. And these metallic ones really provide that luxe effect to your entire TV unit. So that's where, the beauty of these tiles get enhanced by using these trims for your TV units. These tiles typically start from 100 rupees per square feet and can vary depending upon, the pricing can vary depending upon the style as well as the amount of tile that you would decide to purchase. Now here we are looking at these 2x4s. They also come in 3x8. We'll show you that size as well. But 2x4s are typically, is something that we can show you right now along with the trims over here. So just so that you get the right idea how these are used and how they look There are so many varieties in these marble finish tiles. You will really have a lot of variety to choose from. So that's one thing I wanted to talk to you about, and I'm actually going to show you all the trims, because these metallic trims come in different tints as well, like silver, chrome, gold. But I think mostly what's recommended, if you're going for something that has hints of gold within the tile, you can actually do gold with high glossy. It really looks very upscale. So that's something I want to talk to you, but let's look at the trims as well. So I was just talking to you about these beautiful trims, those magic ones that do a lot of magic with your TV units, right? These luxurious styles, they go with that extra luxury, really make it upmarket with these styles when you're combining them in the middle of two tiles, right? And of course, this is a 2x4. You can do that with a 3x8. Now, if you look at these options, these are various finishes. So this one is chrome or silver, as we call it. You have a beautiful glossy gold. Then you have some very nice blacks, and even from a sizing perspective, this is about an inch, this is half an inch. So if you're going for that subtlety, you can go for slightly thinner trims, which is half an inch trims. If you want that gold, that glitter to really be a little bit more bold and sort of shining through, then you can go ahead with these thicker ones. Then you also have some nice bronze over here, a slightly muted rose gold, a slightly muted gold as well, right? There's a difference between this gold and this gold, is because this one is a slightly muted gold. You can pair them any which way. You can even create borders if you want to go a bit extra. You can create borders for smaller cut tiles or smaller tiles. You have 2x2s also that have marble effect, right? So you can use all kinds of designs, patterns, options. Like I said, they can be sliced and diced in whichever way and be used by you to create those beautiful TV unit or entertainment units of your dreams. Let's quickly look at all the options that are present in these marble finished ones in 2x4 as well as 3x8. Let's head over there. So let me show you some gorgeous options in the marble finished tiles, right? And the the high glossy ones. So if you look at this one, this has beautiful marble look. Behind me you have some onyx options as well. All these can be paired with some very gorgeous gold trims as well as some nice rose gold ones. Here, if you look at this pink onyx, this will have a very nice effect when brought together with some rose gold trims. You can go for a half inch one if you really want that very nice aesthetically pleasing look. Apart from that, in this case, you can go even black, slightly tinted black or gold, either way. Here in this case, you can go for a nice high gloss gold. It will really kind of enamor you with its beauty. These are matte ones, so the gold is really beautifully shining through. Even in these high glossy ones, you can do that. So the options are endless. If you look at some of the options over here, like if you look at this one over here, right? These are again very interesting ones. You can use these with some nice gold as well. Bronze will go really well with this. This one will of course look really great with gold. So some of these applications, how you want to pair your colors, some hints of that, like for example, when we look at this pink onyx, when I recommended you use it with rose pink gold, it's because I'm trying to pick some element from here and mix it with the element of that particular trim, which was rose gold, right? So that's something very nicely that you can pair. Similarly, darker finishes, you can go with silver, like dark ones, like these ones, you can really use nice chrome or silver over here. And here you can again use some amount of gold as well as chrome and bronze as well. So there are options that you can really work. You can put borders, you can cut them smaller and use them in borders. You can create diamond shapes as well. So the opportunities of using them in your TV units are endless. It's just as many as your mind can reach, and that's where your opportunities lie. So that's one of the things that I wanted to show. So we are looking at some very gorgeous options within the marble effect ones. Here we have a beautiful white and pink onyx, which is mixed. Earlier you had seen only pink or only white onyx. Some very nice gray shades. Let's look at some more options. Over here we have a very nice marble effect ones, very huge and beautiful veins with grey and black. Let's look at more options over here. So now if you look at this one, again it has some very nice pretty golds shining through in between the exact marble effect. Let's look at some more over here, like this one. These have some very nice, almost like an ocean effect over here. Then some very nice marbles, and then you have some very nice, again a very gorgeous navy blue tile with veins that are like slightly brown or golden. They give a very nice effect, and this one we have already seen. So all in all, these options are great for you to look at, and honestly we are not doing as much justice because we would like to show you all the options that are available. So you definitely need to go to mytiles.com to check out these, or come to the display center in Bangalore and have a look at all these gorgeous options. I can bet you will be able to choose something for everybody over here. So we are now looking at some gorgeous 4x8s that can be paired along with those beautiful trims that we just saw. You can use so many options, just the way we spoke about 2x4. But let's look at 3x8 over here. They have some great options in terms of looks. So this one over here is a very beautiful beige with some brown hints on it. Let's look at the next option. This is my perfect, beautiful blend of browns with blacks and some very nice tones. This will look very classy and upscale with a gold trim, even a silver trim. You can also go for a bronze trim with this one, and go for those thinner ones. They will look really gorgeous with these. Again, great option for your TV units. Let's look at the next one, please. This is a matte option. It's not high glossy. Again, an option that can be used if you're not a gloss lover. You like something which is muted, definitely go for this one. Now these kinds you can definitely have with some nice rose golds as well. Or you can even, if you want to have a little bit bolder look, you can go for a black trim with these as well. Depending upon the kind of vibe you're trying to create in your TV room, you can use any one of these. And the last one is this one. This is again a slightly glossier option, and again you can use it with something interesting like the bronze one or even the rose gold one. Go for a black one for that boldness if you want to highlight that. These tiles again can be cut to smaller ones if you want to create that. I would prefer to keep them as is and go for a larger than life look. The beauty of these versus the 2x4s, an additional feature for these is because you're not going to be grouting 2x4s to 2x4s, and if you want to go for an ultra minimalistic look without that grout lines showing, these are the ones that you can go for. Come on, let's inspire you with some beautiful client images where these marble tiles have been used extensively in their TV units. Stone cladding, whether CNC carved or beaded, are perfect for your TV units. They really add that sober and charming effect to your TV units, and they come in 1x1 panels where the beaded ones have been stuck on a mesh and that mesh can be applied. And also you have the carving ones or box sets one that have random motifs in between. So the options are many. Let's look at some of these options now. Both sandstone marble and your bidasar over here, right, act as charming additions to your TV units. I mean, of course, there is a huge amount of variety over here, but if you just look at bidasar, this is a beautiful green bidasar that is, small blocks have been put together and a panel has been formed, and then these panels, when applied onto your TV units, give a very nice effect, especially if they are actually applied with a lot of beautiful strategically placed lighting. Same thing with sandstone. They give a very waterfall like effect, right? And of course they're actually used for even waterfalls outdoors, but speaking specifically from a TV unit perspective, the lighting falls on them in a very shaded and a very nice way. Even over here, if you see, the light is falling from top in ways where some of it is getting blocked by strategically placed blocks and some of them still coming through. So I think that is where the beauty of these lies. And also if you look at these blocks right over here, for example, these are the block kind of cladding where the pieces have been put together over here. This is also very beautiful. Let me show you where blocks are customizable and box sets have been created. You can actually come and select the motif that you want and create those box sets. So here we are looking at some of the very interesting box sets in this case as well as in this case over here. Beautiful Monstera motifs that can be customized easily. So that's what I wanted to actually talk to you about. These are customizable motifs. You can actually come here and say which color, what size you want, how many you want in this particular box set, right? All these things can be customized completely at My Tiles. That's the service that they offer you. And here also, like a beautiful Monstera, very new and in print, trending print. So again, something that you can do over here is get these motifs according to your size and shape and color. Also you can decide, and you can actually have them implemented and customized to your liking. One more thing which I wanted to tell you is stone claddings can be applied on concrete walls, can be applied on plywood, gypsum, right? All these metal walls as well. So all of these places it can be applied on. And of course there are different types of adhesives that are used for it. So when you are coming with say stone cladding in mind, do come and speak to the executives here in My Tiles, or reach out to them or an expert of who can install stone cladding to tell you exactly what type of adhesive is needed, because there are different grades of adhesive for different types of surfaces. So you need to make that very informed decision. But apart from that is great. Their pricing starts from 105 rupees per square feet. Stone cladding is a premium material, so you need to handle it, use it and think about it in that sense. Definitely have a slightly healthy budget to be able to install these stone claddings as your TV unit background to give you that style and very close to nature feel. Let me show you some client images where they have beautifully used stone cladding in their TV units. Quickly have a look. Two by two, 2x4, big, larger than that also, like in terms of size. Tiles like these, especially in metallic finishes, really add that sense of modernity, right? Because of the reason that there is less grouting lines that you can see in the entire formation or the entire panel. They give a wallpaper kind of look, right? Because the grout lines are really less or hardly visible. So I think that's where these beautiful metallic tiles really come to play their part in your TV units. If you want to create that wallpaper kind of look, definitely go for these. These are 2x2s that we're looking at over here. If you want to create something grand, metallic tiles like these are excellent options. They give your TV units a distinct sheen. The material has a vitrified base with premium gradings. The finishes can range from satin matte and embossed rustic finish to glossy. Metallic tiles are very sturdy and are easier to maintain with just a simple wipe off. They come in different kind of finishes, in terms of you have different type of colors, etc. that are present, but typically start in the range of 70 rupees per square feet. The reason being that most of these are also imported pieces, right? Because of the glaze, etc. that is there, the glossiness, the metallic details, they're typically imported, and therefore the pricing will start from 70 rupees per square feet and will go upwards accordingly. 3D tiles have the necessary edge and style that can be adapted to match any decor, theme or style. With the greatest variety in size and design, the most common 3D tile picks for TV units include metallic finishes and even fluted tiles. Besides metallic finishes, wooden textures are yet another popular choice for indoor lounges. 3D tiles, the ones behind me, definitely have the necessary edge and style that you need for your TV units. Why are they so unique and so wanted in TV units is because with just not being the TV unit, there's a lot of lighting on top which falls the right ways. If you have something which has textural details or shapes and sort of indentations that allow the light to fall in certain ways, and I think that's a huge play between the 3D tiles and the lighting over there, and that's what makes it so interesting. So the beauty of these tiles is another thing, which is they come in lot of varieties, lot of shapes, lot of looks. In fact, for example, here we are looking at the fluted one, which is extremely trendy right now. All the designs, even interiors, even decor today have a lot of fluted details in that. So this is something which is great, and then you can use these. These are also something very interesting. They are, I think, roughly around 1 by something, or maybe a little bit bigger than 1 by 1. So to say exactly, it is 125 mm by 125 mm. You can use these in your TV unit backgrounds, and we can also show you some beautiful client images. Do go and check them out. They have a lot of inspiration for you to show you where 3D tiles can be used. Let me show you some more options. So when looking at 3D tiles, right, they make a perfect fit for your TV units. Here I'm showing you another fluted variety which we just saw. They were different. This one is different. They have more tighter flutes over here and slimmer as well. So if you look at this one, it has beautiful look, little bit sharper. They're not totally circular in nature, so definitely something very interesting. They have some very nice colors in this, a beautiful sage alternated with a lighter and a darker sage. Same thing over here, same thing in this grey as well as in this white, right? And they have a sort of interlocking mechanism, so they really create a very seamless look when they're applied on your walls. They can be applied in your TV units, giving them that beautiful fluted pattern. Let's look at some fluted couple of more fluted patterns over here. This one over here is another type of fluted. They'll give you that thick slat look, and over here you have some very nice patterns, you can say like the shape of these tiles is different. Here you have these edges at the side. Here you have some like sharper, flutes. Different colors, very good to be used as a part of your TV unit. These are absolutely gorgeous. We have a couple of them more in terms of panels that you can use. These, I wanted to tell you, are simply stunning. They have some beautiful colors in this, and you can use them in neutral spaces. A lot of pastels over here. Again, some nice 3D details over there. Great for panels. Let's look at the next one over there. These gorgeous 1x1s are perfect for your TV units. Look at the color combinations as well as the details around that. They have abstract designs and have 3D details. What more can you ask for? Your modern space is going to come alive with some beautiful colors, and we have shown you some beautiful color options over here as well. Do check them out in detail on the website as well as in the display center, and explore what you would go for in terms of your color choices. Do let us know in the comment section if you liked any one of these, and we'll be happy to share a link with you. So now let's discuss some pricing and some inspiration. So their pricing starts from 150 rupees and upwards depending upon the design, the make, whether it's imported or it's India made. There's a lot of difference from that perspective. So the pricing may vary basis that. Well, so we are finally into the FAQ section, your favorite section where we answer all your questions about your tiles. So here you had your first question starting with what is the budget typically for your TV tiles, right? So TV tiles typically start from 100 rupees per square feet and go upwards depending upon the design, the make, the texture, a lot of things involved. But typically they start from 100 rupees per square feet. And also if you want to make it further more budget friendly, you can go for really larger slabs. Larger slabs come in together in packs in a box, so you have to buy less number of boxes, and at the same time the grouting effort for bigger tiles is less, so your overall cost typically comes down if you go for larger slabs. Similar designs are available from 2 by 2 feet to 2 by 4 feet to even larger as we have seen in the entire video. So choose your pick and let us know in the comment section which one did you like the most. So you all wanted to know what colors are the most popular for TV tiles, TV unit tiles, right? TV unit backgrounds. So in this case, definitely your whites, your blacks, your grays are the most popular colors for TV units. But apart from that, a lot of other colors like aqua, red, very nice blue, steels are also getting very, very popular. Even in fact, yellows also, if you're trying to create a very quirky space, is extremely popular. Let's look at the next question you all have. What are the most popular type of tiles for TV units, you ask? Well, you have stone cladding, brick cladding, metallic tiles, beautiful marble tiles that get further elevated by using some gorgeous metallic trims. You have some gorgeous 3D tiles. Options are available. It just depends on what your fancy is, and that's it. You have to decide where your mind can go, and you can apply and pick choices around that. So your last and final question for the day was whether these TV tiles are difficult to maintain. Well, the effort that you put in installing tiles as materials gets paid off in terms of maintenance, because when you put these tiles over there, they are very easy to maintain, even though the hard work that goes into installing them is much larger versus say materials like wallpapers, veneers, etc. Right? So all in all, it's very easy to maintain tiles. They are extremely sturdy. So simple wipe off with say very, very tile friendly materials like tile cleaners or mild cleaners which do not have acid or bleach in them are perfect to be used to clean these beautiful tiles. As always, all the product links are in the description box below. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel and share this video with somebody who needs this information. Until then, folks.